नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल, राम राम सा खम्माड़ी वणक्कम। आप सभी को ऑल्टरनेट मीडिया में फिर से स्वागत है। वी हैव पीवीआर नरसिम्हा राव सर once again with us. I think I don't need to introduce my audience, but just for the sake of it, sir is a scientist. He is a big technocrat. He is also a big astrologer, and he, what do I say, spirituality, Ved, Puran, Sanskrit. He's got a huge grip on these subjects. सर की वेबसाइट है विच इज vedicastrologer.com. प्लीज विजिट देयर.
.org.
.org, vedicastrologer.org. वहाँ पर तरह तरह के होम्स, किस तरीके के एनवायरनमेंट के लिए कैसा हवन होना चाहिए, अगर आपको कुछ अचीव करना है तो कैसे करना चाहिए. मतलब आई थिंक दैट्स वन ऑफ द मोस्ट कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव वेबसाइट्स वेयर आई हैव सीन which answers a lot of the unanswered questions that come in our mind. And sir also has I generally call him Perianna. Perianna also has a YouTube channel with the link I have that I've shown on the screen. I will be putting these links also in the description box and in the chat comments so that you can directly click there and reach to his website and YouTube channel also. And with that introduction, a very warm welcome on the show, Perianna.
Namaste, Gayatriji, and namaste to all of your viewers.
There is something which has always been my priority. Rahul versus Priyanka, who is more pro Bharat, or both of them on the same boat?
Neither. Priyanka, Rahul basically, he will just make a fool of himself. He will try to speak pro Bharat, he will just make a fool of himself, and then he will speak anti Bharat. He is inconsistent, he doesn't know what to say. Priyanka Gandhi, if they give her the talking points and basically there is a clear vision of what they want to project to Indians, she can project it. She's a politician. She's basically a smart person, a
Projected, but you
savvy
feel it.
marketing person. She's not pro Bharat. Neither he will be pro Bharat. As a matter of fact, I don't think the Congress party has it in its DNA to be pro Bharat. So for that, BJP, Narendra Modi ji, Yogi Adityanath are the right people. Of course, there may be a lot of corrupt people, a lot of anti-national people in BJP also now, because to grow a party, you have to accept all kinds of people. But one thing I can say is, I have the charts of Amit Shah ji, Narendra Modi ji, Yogi Adityanath ji, Devendra Fadnavis ji, Annamalai ji, all these people, they are genuinely pro-Bharat, they are genuinely patriotic, and they are genuinely dharmic. And if any of them are in charge of India, India will flourish, and India will keep the civilizational renaissance that I mentioned will keep on slowly happening. But what I try to say is, Yogi Adityanath has such a powerful chart, like in some of the great kings who changed the course of history in the past, that if he is in charge, that civilizational renaissance can have a deflection point. It can basically just take off.
Right, definitely. Periana, moving on to the next one, and that is Kejriwal. Because Kejriwal has been the talk of the town, he wants to become the PM of Khalistan. So, since we have 26 aspiring prime ministers, I thought we should discuss about him. Ji.
Yeah. I predicted in 2021 that Kejriwal will be in serious trouble after August 2023. Basically, a year between August 2023 and August 2024 will see a major fall for him. And by the time of 2024 elections, he'll be in serious mess. And as we saw, he got into this liquor case, liquor permits case, and he's in jail right now. And some people maybe, especially his supporters, AAP supporters, may be thinking that this is all just political games, and once the elections are over, he's going to come out, and some people even go to the extent of saying that this will make him a martyr, and he will have a tremendous showing in the parliament elections of 2024. But the thing is, and he's going to bounce back. But the thing is, I do see, and I'm not saying it now after he went to jail, I said it in 2021, there is a major fall for him, and he can only recover from this if he just comes clean and reforms. Basically, he changes, because there is, in his chart, there is certain there is a well-intentioned person also in his chart, but the thing is, that person was killed many years back. So it is possible that he will reveal a lot of secrets to the intelligence, and he will basically make a deal, he will serve some time, and after that he will start fresh. That's also possible. I won't rule it out, but not now. That is basically still a few years away. But the thing is, barring that, if he just continues along this path of saying that all this is lies and politically fabricated case, he's not getting out of it. I suspect, based on his chart, the soup that he should be in at this time and in the next couple of years is very serious. So, what we actually saw, for which he went to jail, may just be the tip of the iceberg. There may be much more that hasn't even been revealed or come out yet. So he's in serious mess. The man is finished unless he basically really helps the authorities and comes clean and basically reforms himself. So while I wouldn't rule out, that's basically still a few years away. So for now, as far as this election and the next Delhi elections are concerned, I forgot when the next Delhi elections are. They may be next year.
Next year.
Yeah, next year state elections in Delhi, next year, and also the current parliament elections. I think the man is finished. There is no hope for that man. This is a genuine, real fall for him. This is not just a temporary setback. See, he went to jail earlier also. But the thing is, those were all setbacks. This is actually, there is something really serious shown in his chart, a serious problem and a serious fall. And he is in the middle of that. Actually, he's at the beginning of that. So things may get even more serious. They may be treading carefully and not really revealing all their cards yet. So it is possible that the mess that he got into is more serious than we may realize at this time. But bottom line is, he's finished for now. This is not a temporary setback, and he's not coming back after the Lok Sabha elections, and he's not becoming the CM again in next year.
Oh, he's not becoming CM again. That means
I don't think I won't say again, but definitely next year in 2025 Delhi state elections, I do not see him being the chief minister. As a matter of fact, I don't think his party will be in power. It will most likely be BJP. I don't know who yet, but the thing is, among the people I have seen, there is this leader in Delhi. She's the I think she's the state minister for external affairs under Sri Jaishankarji, Meenakshi Lekhi. She wasn't given ticket for this parliament election, and her chart has some potential. So if they make her either CM candidate or somebody basically along those lines, somebody who's at the top of the echelons in Delhi, she has potential to lead BJP to victory. But bottom line is, I expect BJP to come to power.
People have been also talking about Smriti Irani. That Smriti Irani can lead Delhi very well.
That's possible too. That's possible too. But the thing is, I don't have her chart, but she seems like a really capable lady. But the thing is, there are all signs are pointing to, and moreover, the fact is his bad time is really running now. So I don't see, even if he's not the CM, if somebody from his party is CM, that is still good for him. I don't expect that will be the case. I think he's finished for now. He has to restart his career, political career.
Thank you so much once again. A humble request to all the viewers. Sir has a channel which I've reflected on the screen and also website. Please visit, like, subscribe, and share PVR Narasimha Rao Periyanna, my Periyanna's channel also. And if you want to give us a feedback, you want to get in touch, you want to write to us, you want to donate to us, all the links are given in the description box. इसी के साथ जय हिंद, जय श्री राम, हर हर महादेव. Thank you so much, Periyanna.
धन्यवाद guys.